In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to upload file in an n8n. So friends, open your n8n workspace. As you can see here, this is workspace. Click create workflow, and then guys, all you have to do is just wait to see this page. From here, click three line, as you can see here on the screen. This is the three line from here. After that, friends, all you have to do, just click this line and click import from URL, import from files, and then select any file you want to upload it. You can upload image or file, for example this one, and then it couldn't valid JSON. So guys, this is file, you should be JSON data, and then you can upload him. For example, I want to choose another one, for example this one, and then you can choose this one. You should be guys JSON file data. This is how you can do. This is not import file, and you should be valid JSON. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content.